Okay, listen up because this is an emergency. I just looked in the mirror and realized I'm one panda eye away from being cast in a zombie movie. My hair looks like a bird nest. My skin is fighting for its life. And don't even ask about my mood. So yeah, it's time. Operation Glow Up Before School Starts is now in session. That's all we need. Just you, me, a couple face masks, and a little Delulu energy to become that girl who walks into class like a walking Pinterest board. Let's glow, baby. Day 1. The prep and pamper day. Okay, so listen, before we even think of glowing up, we need to fix the canvas. You can't paint a masterpiece on a dusty board, right? So today is all about resetting, and girl, you deserve it. Start with the basics. Tie your hair up, play your favorite playlist, and let's get into it. Face mask? Yes. Hair mask? Double yes. You're going to look like an aesthetic Pinterest board in real life. And while you wait for your mask to do its magic, paint your nails in a shade that screams clean girl, maybe pastel pink, light beige, or go clear for that classy shine. And please don't skip the long bubble bath or shower. Exfoliate your body, shave if you want to, and then moisturize head to toe. You should literally glide across the room like a glossy dolphin. Use a scented body lotion, wear a cute pajama set, and feel the confidence building already. Oh, and teeth? Do a whitening mask if you have one. Just 15 minutes and you'll see a difference. Little things like this, they add so much to your overall look. Day 2. The look reset. Okay, babe. Now that we're all clean and fresh, today is about the outward glow. The appearance. Because when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, the whole school feels your energy. First, hair. Do not just brush it and call it a day. Try an aesthetic braid, maybe a bubble braid, a slick pony, or a half-up hairstyle with a claw clip. Make it effortless but put together. If your hair feels dead, deep condition it and use a serum. Trust me. Shiny hair is a whole personality. Then, shape your eyebrows. Not pluck till they're gone, but just neaten them up. Brush them up with a brow gel, it makes a huge difference. Let's talk outfit. Not oversized uniform unless it's giving clean oversized look. Not too tight, just right. Iron it. Polish your shoes, yes, even if you're lazy, and wear soft accessories like a cute bracelet, dainty rings, or tiny hoops if allowed. Now, skincare. Cleanse, tone, and moisturize every day. And don't you dare step outside without sunscreen. School lights, sun, pollution, it all affects your skin. Lip balm is your best friend. Choose one with a tint or a soft pink shade, it makes you look instantly more awake. Also, perfume, a soft daily scent that smells like vanilla, fresh flowers, or clean laundry. People will associate that smell with you. And lastly, wear a simple watch. It gives main character in a high school drama vibes. You look organized, stylish, and mysterious. Day 3. The confidence build. Alright, queen. This day is all about your energy, the way you carry yourself, the way you smile, the way you walk into that classroom like the girl you are. First thing in the morning, drink a full glass of water. Have a good breakfast, whatever you like. Eat like you love yourself. Then journal. Write 3 things you love about yourself. Brush your teeth well. Keep your lips moisturized. And smile more. Fix your posture. Also, don't forget to pack things that make you feel good, like a mini perfume, your favorite lip balm, or a cute pen for class. She's no longer the girl who rushed out of bed. And there you go, 3 days later, and suddenly you're the girl people ask skincare tips from. So yeah, walk into that classroom like it's a runway, sip your water like it's a latte, because babe, you just glowed up. Now go slay that math test or whatever.